Hello everyone! In today's video, I will demonstrate one method in making the magic ring, also known as the magic circle. The beginning steps are similar to making a slip knot. Because this video is for the absolute beginner, I will dissect some of the steps, making it seem longer. I will create a second video demonstrating how to make the magic ring using the hook. Let's begin. Step 1, make a lowercase n. The tail end is on your left. The working yarn is on the right. Step 2, take the working yarn and cross it over the tail end to create a loop. This loop is the beginning of the magic ring. Therefore, I am going to refer to this loop as the magic ring. Take your right hand thumb and index finger and put it through the magic ring from front to back like so. Hold the magic ring in place with your index and middle finger. Step 4, take the working yarn with your thumb and index finger. Step 5, pull the yarn through the magic ring. I'm going to hold the magic ring with my left hand and pull the yarn through. This is our working loop. And this is the magic ring in the making. Step 6, you're going to twist the working loop from right to left, just like so. Step 7, take your right hand thumb and index finger and we're going to put it through the working loop from behind, like so. We're going to hold the working loop with our index and middle finger to keep it in place. Step 8, grab the working yarn and hold it with your thumb and index finger. Step 9, you're going to pull this yarn through the working loop. I'm going to hold the working loop with my left hand and pull the yarn through. This is my working loop and this is the magic ring. This right here is our knot. We're going to first tighten this knot by holding down our magic ring and pulling our working loop from the right side, like so, okay? And finally, you can put your hook on the working loop and pull the working yarn, but not too tightly, because remember, we need to leave a gap, okay? And this is how you make the magic ring. All right, now we'll demonstrate how to make the magic ring on the hook. And a side note, I will not, oh, there went Ducky. Let's see if we can fix her. Can you stay? There you go. All right, now I will demonstrate how to make the magic ring on the hook. And side note, I will not provide much detail, but I want you to observe that once you learn how to make the magic ring, hopefully it will take you seconds to make, okay? Step 1, place your yarn on the hook. Step 2, yarn over. Do not tighten the loop. Step 3, pull the yarn through the loop. Step 4, twist the working loop to the left, like so. Step 5, yarn over. Step 6, pull the yarn through the loop. I'm gonna hold on to my magic ring and the working loop to tighten this knot right here, just like so. And then I'm going to hold my working yarn and also pull it to tighten my working loop. And as always, leaving a gap, okay? I hope this video was helpful. And if you didn't get it in the first few tries, don't worry about it. Keep practicing. We are learning. Thank you for watching, and until next time.